This whole end-of-year tax panic thing. It's getting cooked into content like it's gospel, and it ain't. Yeah, rich people move money at year-end. Yes, tax brackets change. But watching a 2-minute countdown of bracket numbers and carving hypotheticals and calling that financial strategy is like watching someone explain how to win a fight by describing the boxing ring. It sounds tactical until you realize they never learned to throw a punch. Before you let every tax tactic video make you twitchy, do one useful thing. Get a social media report from the link in bio and actually look at the audience and revenue data you already own. If your brand's not converting viewers into buyers, no amount of bracket shuffling will save you. Know the transcripts checklist. Push income into 2026. Harvest losses. Max out your HSA, 401k. Buy the $100,000 G-Wagon. Dump cash in a donor-advised fund. Reads like a billionaire scavenger hunt dressed as advised. Some of that stuff absolutely has a place, sure, for people with accountants and private banks. But most creators and small businesses don't benefit from theatrical purchases or aggressive tax gymnastics. You want leverage that scales. Build products, not excuses. Spend your time and money on things that turn attention into recurring revenue. A simple product, a paid community, a membership, an app that does something your audience actually needs. That's self-investment, that's system building. If you're serious about turning views into something durable, don't chase one-off tax hacks. Invest in a repeatable stack. Grab the social media report link in bio to find where your real conversions are hiding. Then, for actual execution, consider the 3-app suggestion and build system. It gives you 3 IP-protected app ideas tailored to your brand, with concrete build guidance so you can launch an owned asset fast. You want the difference between a gimmick and a business, and that's it. Own the product, own the payment flow, own the list. Let's be blunt about the G-Wagon example they keep throwing around. Buying a luxury car to write it off as sexy clickbait. Real writing off is about legitimate business purchases that add upside. Better cameras that let you produce higher quality content, a laptop that speeds your editing workflow, lighting that saves you hours. Here's the difference maker. While everyone else is doom-scrolling tax tables and dreaming up creative ways to shuffle numbers, you can build systems that keep bringing in cash no matter what the IRS does next year. algoTron helps you do that. Social media reports that show retention and conversion, tools to build and ship apps, in-app code edits, back-end functions, GitHub integration, and domain connectivity so your product is not dependent on someone else's algorithm. That's self-investment. That's durable. That's what separates a creator who panics from a creator who profits. So do 3 real things today. Run the social media report link in bio and stop guessing which content matters. Spend $300 on the 3-app suggestion and build system link in bio, and pick one of the 3 suggested apps to build and protect as IP. Treat your channels like infrastructure, connect a domain, automate onboarding, and put a payment flow behind your best content. If a tax rule changes on January 1st, 2026, and you missed $1 here or there, you'll still have a business that earns. If you've followed every tax panic perfectly but built nothing, you'll have some nice paperwork and nothing to show for it. Final point, taxes matter, but they don't replace work. Strategy matters more than timing. Wealth for creators comes from repeatable systems and owned assets, not clever year-end moves that make for viral headlines. Build the thing that survives volatility. Use data, not fear. And if you want help turning panic into a plan, the tools are in the link in bio. Run the report, try the app suggestion system, and start building something that actually pays you next year, regardless of who's tweaking tax brackets.